just got stung by a bee right now. To show my brother that it does not hurt that badly. I think I could extract. I'm pretty sure. So if I just, I'm scared. There's quite a lot of propolis. Do you have anything where in which I could like put up some propolis, like small thingy right now? You okay? I'll do it later. There's like, I could just show you how much propolis there is. This is just one frame, from one frame, one side of a frame. This is all propolis. I'm gonna put it back for the bees because it's their main glue source, and I'm gonna take it out a little later when I have these small little jars. Also here, all of this side is filled with it. Also,